Hello everyone and welcome back to another devlog. In this devlog, I'm gonna make the enemy actually work, and also I'm gonna almost finish the tutorial. The first thing I did was change the gun item a little bit. I changed it so that instead of the shine drawing over the gun draws over the shine. And then I applied the shine along with the explosion particles to the bullet item. So now I can pick it up in the tutorial just like the gun. Next I wanted to move on to the enemy that I added in the last video. So the first thing I want to add is damage indicators. Now adding damage indicators was actually quite complex, so I looked up a video on how to do it, and I'll leave a link for that in the description, and I've heavily modified the code in it so that it fits my project. Anyways, here's what the damage indicators look like in game. They're kind of hard to see. I might tweak them a little bit to make them more prominent, but I'll do that later. Next I wanted to add another damage indicator, but this time would be on the crosshair. So to set it up, I rotated the current crosshair 45 degrees, duplicated it, and put the duplicate in the same spot that the previous crosshair was in. And how this is going to work is whenever you hit something, the orange crosshair is going to flash and then fade out. Well, it's great that you can actually attack the enemy, he can't attack you. So the next thing I did was allow the enemy to actually hurt the player using the damage indicators I created a few devlogs ago. Lastly, I made it so that when you kill the enemy, the tutorial progresses. And with that, we have all the components we need to finish the tutorial level. So that's exactly what I did. Now the entire tutorial is pretty much finished. I'm just missing one thing, and that's the exit. And I'll save this until the next video. Currently I want to focus on a little bug where if the player is crouching underneath a low ceiling and then they let go of crouch, they just clip straight into the ceiling. The way we solve this is actually quite simple. We simply just use a ray cast to check if there's a ceiling above the player, and we do this every frame if the player is not crouching until the space above the player is open, and then we uncrouch. But unfortunately that's all I have time for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll probably finish the tutorial.